Hey guys, let's take a look at the Sphinx Puzzle, the Minos Puzzle, and the Caribbean Puzzle. These three are three of basically the same type of puzzle with different difficulty levels. Well, let's get into it. These three puzzles all have a marble inside of them. And this is just the lid of the one puzzle. But if you move it around, the goal of the puzzle is that you push this to the side until you can get that marble stuck in there. You can kind of see it there. Then when you push this back over, watch what happens. It actually slides and opens the puzzle for you. So that is the solution. Whoa. That's the solution for this puzzle. And it's the same solution for all three puzzles. The difference is how to get that ball down into there. So having said that, let's take a look at when I first solved them. So these three puzzles, I'm not sure if they have the same solution, a similar solution, or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. I'm going to start with the treasure map. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, this Caribbean puzzle. But you can see on the side, it looks like to me there are definitely some separate pieces here. So this shifts, and that one's more obvious that shifts. And then I don't know what happens afterwards. That's all I know. I'm trying to look to see. If that will then lead to something else. Try one of these. Oh, that one you can clearly see has a couple of marks there. I don't know if that little ball inside has something to do with... Oh, I just feel something shift here. Okay. So looking at all three, I still have no clue whatsoever what to do with them. I don't know how they work, how they move, or if they work exactly the same, every one. So this is the fun part. This is when I get to fiddle around and see what I can figure out here. Oh, did I break it? I hope I didn't break it. There's a little piece that just came off. And that little piece goes right here. Oh, that's always my fear with these puzzles. I'll push them too hard and break them. And that's exactly what I did. So that has a hook on it there. And the hook is not connected with that. That hook should have stayed on still. I totally broke this puzzle. Oh no. Well, I learned not to do that for the next one. Alright. Oh, there. It actually worked. Okay. And then you push that, and there we go. Oh, there it is. What a frustrating puzzle that was. So I want to get, oh, it worked. Holy, well, there you go. It's because I'm such an amazing, it's luck. There's a lot of these puzzles are a lot of luck. I just happened to shake it just the right way. I'm going to have to look at the solution and figure out what I did, but there you go, solved. I want you to tell me in the chat box which one you want me to do next week. So I have this one here, which is the secret lock box. Has a ball inside it. I've got my Z box. I've got this one that I'm certain I won't be able to pronounce properly. Mist. Anyway, and then I've got my 20-cent pop box. It has a little coin sticking out of it. So in the chat below, go ahead and let me know which one you want to see next week. After seeing how I first solved them, you might think that they were a little bit challenging, and they certainly were. I looked at, for the hardest puzzle, I actually looked at the solution because, and I found out afterwards, basically you've got two pieces of wood like this on the inside, and you have to get the ball to go up inside it. See right there? And so for me that was just, I was frustrated with it. I couldn't get the ball to go where I wanted it to go, and it kept getting stuck in other places, and then I looked at the map and realized why. So looking at the solution for these puzzles doesn't necessarily make it any less enjoyable. For me, it helped to actually take away some of the frustration of these puzzles. So I just want to say, absolutely beautiful puzzle, gorgeous puzzle, lots of, like, it is fun to solve it, and once you get it open, it's a decent size on the inside. Just a warning, you do not need to pull hard at all for the lids to come off. It should be coming off pretty easily. The goal is to get the marble kind of down here into this sliding point. So you hold it open, get the marble in there, push it over, and it'll slide out. Now how to get it down to there, that's up to you. Or you can look at the solution and try and solve it using the solution. All right, I hope that was fun for you. Hope it was helpful. Have a wonderful day.